Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well and everything that is going on with you is going very well. You are in control of all your situation that is coming to you, right? So today's topic is turn your weakness into strength. Friends, everybody knows that every human being, whoever is there, they have a kind of weakness in them. Everybody, I, you, X, Y, Z, whoever it is, your friends, your parents, your in-laws, your kids, everybody is having some kind of weakness in them. So you have to turn your weakness into strength, because when your enemies or anybody who finds out your weakness, what your weaknesses are, they will try to target that part of your life or that kind of thing that you have weakness in. So what we should do is, to counter that, we must find out what our weaknesses are. I'm sure everybody of us would know what our weaknesses are, and when you find out that weakness, you start working on that. If you start working on your weaknesses, then you will see that your weakness turns into strength within no time. For example, like some people have a weakness in spellings, they have a weakness in spelling. Whatever they write, they make some spelling mistakes. So they can be, laughed at. People will laugh because they target your weakness. So they will laugh at you, saying that you have become so big, or you are working in this place, or you are doing this, or this school you are from, and then you are having this kind of spelling mistakes. Or some people will have this grammatical mistakes. Okay, so there also you will become a fodder of laughter in people's, in a crowd of people, So what will you do? You should see that what your weaknesses are. You have to know that this is my weakness, and you should not shy away. Some people are very camera shy, they cannot come in front of the camera. It takes a lot of time to come in front of the camera and perform or give a speech or whatever. Even while going on the stage and singing or giving a speech or dancing over there, it takes a lot of courage. I'm sure you people might know by now that so many people are reluctant to go on the stage because all the eyes will be at you. So not only this, when you give a presentation also, there are lots of people who is sitting in the audience and they will have an eye on you. And when they can interact in between or after your session, and they can ask you lots of questions. So how will you overcome that kind of fear that you have? That is through practice. You have to practice the weakness. You have to know what you are not good at, what you fear, what you shy of. Like some people walk in a very awkward, they're normal people, but just because they do not interact with many people, they're shy. They're shy to open up with people, they're shy to make friends with strangers, and they take too much of time. So they have to work on their weaknesses, because shy is a weakness. I was very shy when I was a kid. As a kid, I remember, I used to be very shy, and I used to shy away from people, and I used to hide from people. And that came as, they used to target me that, oh, she has too much of nose, or she is very proudy kind of a person, that's why she is not talking to us. But on the other hand, I was the person who was a victim, and I used to be, shy to move in front of people, to talk to them, whoever is coming, and I'll be hiding myself, and then these people have started targeting me, and they will be like, what? She is very, she has too much of nose high up, she is, she doesn't want to mingle with us. So this was not the thing. Actually, I wanted to mingle with them. Even you will be with me. Because even many of you all have this kind of problem. You are shy of people. You cannot open up with everybody. You are not able to mingle with everybody. You cannot make friends easily. So I had this problem. So what I just got area. The weakness is your problem area, and then you work on that. Slowly, not in one day. One day you cannot win your battle. So not in one day. Slowly you have to practice. Practice makes you perfect. So you have to practice and start approaching people. When they come and approach you, you give them a smile, say hello, you wish them, and then you talk to them about their life, show interest in their life, then they show interest in you, and slowly you will see that you don't need any topic to converse with them. The conversation starts. You don't need a topic. So I used to think, what will I talk to that person, because I cannot relate to that. Many people have this problem that they are not able to relate with the other person. Then what do they talk? But I'm sure there is so many things to talk about, like today's weather or the music or whatever, or have you been to that place or holiday or something. Something or the other will come up, will pop up in the middle, and then you will see you have started talking to that person. You have to have that kind of, you start doing that practice. You start doing that practice, and then you will see that your weakness has turned into your strength. Today when I meet people, I am the first one who is going to talk to people, and I am the one who starts talking to them. So they will be like, now this girl is speaking so much, before she never used to talk to us. And now I get lots of friends. Because it was my weakness, I was not doing it on purpose. So you might not be doing it purpose, but then just because of your behavior, people used to think that, oh, this girl is like that. Same way, many people are there who cannot speak English fluently. So what? You have to, that's a weakness, because in today's life, you should know to speak English fluently, because otherwise you will just look down upon. You should not be doing that to others, but then our society is like that, you don't know English. How, you're just a downgraded person. That's how people treat us, So you should practice speaking English. Just take any text or a newspaper, which is very easy to you to understand, and start reading that. And talk to your family members also in English, or answer them in English. It doesn't matter that they also have to talk to you in English. Or you just prepare yourself, take a topic and you want to talk about it. Go in front of the mirror and start talking in front of the mirror, thinking that you are speaking to somebody, and you start speaking in your language, in English. In no times you will realize that you have mastered that language also. By English, any language, any local language also, you can master it. And that is how you can overcome your fear also to speak, and that shyness also. Then some people have this problem I've seen during my masters, they have a problem in communicating with people. They are there in the stage, they are giving the speech, that and all, it's fine, but after that, when they have to answer the questions, mostly management students, they have this, when they have to answer the questions, that time they will be shying away, or they'll be like, come on, your friends are only asking you questions. Now in front of the friends, and then later you'll be in front of the people, a whole audience of people, then you have to talk to them. You have to give the solution. You have to, whatever you have spoken in that subject, you have to talk about it. They'll be asking you so many questions from that topic of yours, and then you have to answer them back. How will you answer? You prepare yourself from now itself. I've seen many people, they will cry in our class also when other people used to start screwing that person. So they used to cry. So it was a kind of weakness. They do not know how to answer, how to handle the situation. So you have to master it. How will you master it? You have to practice it. Don't shy away from it. You might be making mistake, doesn't matter. So many people, everybody makes mistake. I have also made so many mistakes, and then only I have learned how to talk in front of the camera. That I am today in front of the camera, or you let me give any speech in front of the audience also, I am able to speak today because I have practiced it. I have worked on my weaknesses. When you work on your weaknesses, you will turn your weakness into your strength, and then nobody can stop stop you from moving ahead in your life. So I think I have covered much of the topic, and I am able to make you understand why I am telling you that you should turn your weakness into your strength. In today's life, you have to turn your weaknesses into strength. You have to work on yourself. You have to learn new skills to be upfront. So with that, I hope I have cleared this topic, and if you really like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Ayushi Bose, motivational and business speaker. I'll come to you another day with another topic. Till then, please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.